Okay, so I'm here with Irene and Carlos Rivera, and we just completed the sale of their house at 26 Millcrest in Rockville. Yeah, Sherwood.
Sherwood, man.
Sorry, there's a lot of things going on this week, but we were able, because right now it's between Thanksgiving and Christmas, we were actually able to get this done. We got the contract on the house back the 28th, I think, of November, which is right after Thanksgiving, and today is the 22nd of December, and I just wanted them to tell you a little bit about your experience.
Yeah, you want to go ahead? I mean, I can start. I know working with Adam and his team has been terrific. From getting the offer on time as promised, with the amounts promised, all the way through completion, it was truly a great experience for us, and one where we had looked at the total cost and did a complete return on investment analysis, and it showed that the price that they offer was fair enough for us to be able to sell the house and still meet our financial requirements.
Awesome. So we were just talking after Carlos just gave us something, and we just wanted to come back and share that with you guys.
Yeah, so actually working with your group has been so easy and a little scary for us. I mean, you guys have been very quick. We're working, obviously we did check you out and checked out the closing company, and they're all legit. So and here we are, and we just closed the deal. And so certainly it was enjoyable and a pleasure, but it was
it was scary. We didn't know for sure that you guys were legitimate.
But obviously you are, and it's been great.
Yep.
Was it fast?
Oh my
Very
God.
fast.
Was it easy?
Yes.
Yeah, it was easy.
Very easy.
Awesome. And it's been a pleasure working with you guys too. You guys were great.
Well, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.